As in all industries, technology is rapidly advancing in auto ID. Image-based technologies, including barcode imagers, verifiers, and machine vision systems, provide exceptional value to automated applications in terms of increasing process efficiency and assuring product quality. Imaging is necessary for 2D symbol decoding as well as inspection applications where images must be interpreted by a processor to ensure the accuracy of features within an image. However, there are many applications in which laser-based technology still outperforms imager-based solutions. For these applications, manufacturers can avoid any unnecessary cost or complexity associated with 2D symbols or imaging systems by implementing laser scanners to get the job done as efficiently as possible. In this video, we will outline 5 common application requirements that laser scanners address at a level of performance that imagers cannot beat. The first characteristic of a laser scanner is its superior scan speed. Lasers can provide up to 2,000 real-time decodes per second. Imagers must filter through the captured pixels of an image, slowing down decode rates. Lasers can capture several scans of the same symbol in the same amount of time as an imager, increasing data capture accuracy. This table lists some of the decode rates for the Microscan products. The MS9 can decode up to 2,000 labels per second, and the QX830 and 870, our industrial scanners, have a scan speed of up to 1,400 decodes per second. There are many examples of applications that speed might be a critical factor, such as a high-speed data tracking and traceability application within a packaging environment, a high-speed identification of test tubes within the clinical environment, or high throughput of several fast-moving components on electrical circuit boards. This video clip shows a spooling system where labels are moving through rapidly and can be scanned by the laser without issue. A second characteristic found with laser scanners is depth of field. Lasers provide greater depth of field and therefore more flexibility when positioning the scanner. The depth of field is the distance between the nearest and furthest object that a scanner can decode. Test tubes in multiple locations in a carousel, or boxes of different sizes or locations relative to the scanner, are 2 examples of applications utilizing the larger depth of field. This is a slow-motion example of how a QX870 scanner can read 2 box labels at various distances or depths. This video shows the clinical application, fast-moving test tubes at 2 different locations in the carousel. Another attribute of some scanners is a long read range. Lasers can read over extended distances up to 10 feet. Microscan's MS890 product is one such scanner that can read up to 10 feet or 120 inches. And the QX870 and 830 products can read up to 30 inches. One packaging scenario that requires a long read range is reading codes on pallets moving past checkpoints in a warehouse or distribution center. Another is working around required clearance zones in conveyor areas. This is the MS890 raster scanner. It is a long-range scanner from Microscan that, as mentioned, can read up to 10 feet away. It is sweeping through 4 barcodes and reading each of them during one trigger cycle. Some laser scanners feature a programmable sweeping raster that can read multiple codes in varying locations along the scan area, even if they are damaged or misaligned. An example is a pallet of goods that has different codes along the side that must be read. Similar to the previous video, this example shows the MS-890 scanning barcodes at distance. It provides a better visual for reading multiple codes at various locations across the width of the scan. The fifth characteristic that is being highlighted is the simplicity of scanners. Lasers are less complex than imagers. They are easier to use, easier to integrate, less technical knowledge is required, less equipment is required, and this comes at a lower cost. Scanners are virtually plug and play, while imagers require setup, including precise positioning and appropriate lighting to get the best possible image. This simplicity is useful when laser scanners are daisy-chained to read multiple codes on circuit boards. In summary, we have discussed the following 5 capabilities of laser scanners that imagers cannot beat: scan speed, depth of field, long read range, multiple codes at various locations, and simplicity. Microscan provides both image and laser-based products to meet your project needs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. Please visit the Microscan website for additional product information, educational resources, and case studies.